she's back, guys. Betty is back in our yard. Yay. So no catastrophic surprises, no engine trouble, just some of those 26-year-old, hey, I need some TLC issues. And so she's back. We've got the tire issue fixed, which I cannot show you, it's under there, but it comes down now. We've got the mud daubers, they've been evicted. We have the let's see what else we have. Oh, the leak because of the mud daubers being gone, that should be fixed. And so she should be ready to go as far as that. But now we have all the fun things of getting her ready, cleaned out. She was at a friend's mechanic house place for about 5 months. So she's been sitting there, and then she was at the shop down the road for another few weeks. So I'm glad to have her back. And now we'll get her ready to go, cleaned out. Got some, I want to change out the armrest or reupholster it, which is going to be a fun project. Got to get the organization for the clothes figured out because that has been one of the biggest issues we've seen. But anyhow, we're going to be working on all these things. I just want to let you know that Betty, she's back. You know, she's more than just the van. She is part of the family and obviously very important for this road trip. So stick around, guys. Hit subscribe if you want to see what's going on, and also watch when we actually leave on our trip. But in the meantime, I will be sharing some of our planning and organizing and all that stuff. All right, guys, thanks.